Hey Jackson, you want to come clean the paddock with me? Let's go. Gotta pay the entry fee. Well, hello, Taylor. I'm gonna save one. Good boy. Can we clean your paddock? It needs a good cleaning. Somebody pooped a lot. Excuse me. Excuse me. All cleaned up. No more snacks for you. Aw, don't go after Jackson. Hi. Hi. Are you following me now? What are you doing? Oh, not getting enough food, are you? Okay. Okay, we'll get you some hay. I'll get you some hay. Okay, I'll get you some hay. It is an empty hay net. We must fill it to keep this lovely figure. Jeez, impatient. Management in this place is over the top. All right. Here's your hay net. Okay, you're right. I'm not putting it in the right place. Are you eating something disgusting? Feeling better now? No longer starving? Paddock is clean. Now we clean the pony. What do you think? Yeah? Ready? Look at all that dirt, hair, sweat. Dirty boy. Little detangler. Gotta do the tail too. Work out these burrs. Got to do some fly spray. Sorry, but I know you don't like it. It smells gross. Yuck. Less flies. Now we can show that pretty face. Oh, what a baby. You gotta clean those feet. Oh, looking pretty decent. And now he's beautiful and clean and shining. A real black beauty, right? Yeah.